guys, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be testing out Aspyn Ovard's DIYs. If you guys want me to test out any other YouTubers' DIYs, be sure to comment their channel name down below. Let's just hop right into the video. I don't want to keep this intro too long. So the first DIY that I'm going to be testing out is Aspyn Ovard's acai bowl recipe, and she made this on her vlog channel, Aspyn and Parker. So I will go ahead and link that down below, but all you're going to do is place a banana in a blender and then also add some frozen strawberries. And she said you could really add whatever fruit you would like, but I just wanted to follow her recipe exactly. And then she doesn't really use measurements. She just says to add a little bit of blueberries and then also some apple juice, and then blend that all up. Next, she says to add a packet of acai berries, and you can find this in the frozen section, like where the frozen fruits are at your grocery store. And then I just blended this up. And this is what it looks like before you put the toppings on. So then I added some fresh strawberries and some granola. Oh my gosh, you guys, I highly recommend trying this out. I've made so many of these since I filmed this. The next DIY that I'm going to be testing out are DIY printed pillows, and for this all you're going to need is a pillow, a paintbrush, and some acrylic paint. You don't have to use fabric paint. So all I did was paint some brush strokes on the pillow. It's as simple as that. There's not really a uniform way of doing this. Like, it's really messy, kind of, but I think it looks really cool. And the reason why I wanted to test this out is because it seems like such a simple DIY, but I wanted to see if it was actually that easy to recreate and if it was fun to make and if my pillow would look as cool as hers. And honestly, I think this looks really awesome, and this was really satisfying and just a really fun DIY to make. It's very like calming painting the pillow. I don't know, but I definitely recommend trying this out because it's a super cheap DIY and super easy to make. So the last DIY that I'm going to be testing out are marble jars, and I've tested this out in a video before, but I wanted to test it out again because I made it wrong in the video that I've done in the past. So all you have to do is take a little container of water and then place some nail polish inside, and then you're just going to take a toothpick and kind of like swirl it around. I'm probably not doing this correctly, but it still turned out okay. So then after that, you're just going to place your jar. You could just buy a little glass jar like I did from Michael's, and you're just going to place that in the paint, or not paint, sorry, nail polish. And then I did this one more time with a different color of nail polish, and this is like a mint color. I think it looks really cool. Once again, I just kind of swirled it around with the toothpick, and then I just placed the other jar that I had into the nail polish. And since there was still some pink nail polish in this container, some got on this jar, but I still think it looks really cool. This DIY works. But I'm finally glad that I was able to make this DIY. So this is what it turned out to look like, and I really like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to click that subscribe button down below, and let's try to get this video to 300 likes. So be sure to click that like button. I hope you have an amazing day. Don't forget to tweet Aspyn the link to this video. I'd really appreciate it because I would love for her to see this. And also, if you guys want me to test out any other YouTubers' DIYs, be sure to comment their channel name below. Also, be sure to request any other videos you want me to make in the future.